In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a prototype from Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. We all know that Figma is an incredible design tool, especially for creating interactive prototypes. It's a game changer for designers who want to show off their work in a meaningful way. Once you've created your animation and you're ready to export your prototype, we can start the process. First, ensure your prototype is polished and ready to go. When you're confident that your animation looks good, you can move on to exporting it. To do this, locate the Action button on your Figma interface. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, just hit Ctrl and K simultaneously. This will open the command menu where you can search for the export options. Now, in the command menu, type in Export to GIF Video plugin. This plugin will help you convert your animation into a GIF or a video. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see the Export to GIF Video option right in front of you. Click on that and then look for the Run button. This is where the magic happens. After clicking Run, you will be prompted to select the animated component you wish to export. Make sure you're selecting the right one, as this is the part of your work that will be turned into a video or GIF. Once you've selected the component, you'll see options available within the GIF Video plugin. Look for the option that allows you to download it. This functionality is fantastic because it gives you flexibility in how you want to present your prototype. Depending on what you choose, you can create a looping GIF that's perfect for showcasing on social media, or you can create a video file for more detailed presentations. After you've selected the download option, the file will be processed. Depending on the complexity of your animation, this might take a moment, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll receive your file, and it will be saved to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your prototype from Figma. Now you can easily share your animations with teammates, clients, or showcase them in your portfolio. To recap, we started by setting our animation up for export. Then we accessed the command menu, searched for and clicked the export plugin, selected our animated component, and finalized the export by downloading it. Each step is crucial, and taking your time to ensure everything is perfect will help in producing a visually stunning prototype. Don't forget to keep experimenting with different features in Figma. There's always something new to learn. If you have any questions or suggestions on what topics you'd like me to cover next, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.